Hey, it's Ted here. I wanted to go over how to put a Speedy Sleeve on, and this is actually a seal renewal process. So if you have a yoke shaft, kind of like one of these old yoke shafts out of a DPS, and you got a groove worn in this, two options are you can take the yoke shaft off, send it to a machine shop, have them take fine earth metal grinding discs and resurface it, or you can get yourself a Speedy Sleeve. So from SKF, this is a Speedy Sleeve kit. And within that Speedy Sleeve kit is, get it open, the installation tool, the actual seal insert, and the installation tool. So this is the installation tool. So you're gonna take this, you're gonna put this over the yoke shaft, you're gonna drive that on the yoke shaft, and then you're gonna peel, a pair of wire cutters, you're gonna cut the edge of it, and you're gonna peel this outside edge off. And that gives you, I don't know if it's 2/1000ths of an inch thick, a new sealing surface, and they are stainless steel. So it'll last for another 15 years. So the problem is, if you have a yoke shaft like this and you're trying to put a Speedy Sleeve on it, is you go to put the Speedy Sleeve on, other way, and it goes on this direction. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna try and put the tool on there, and the tool doesn't fit. So two options are you can try and cut a hole in it and then work around that. But the other thing that I found that fits, and I don't have the actual fitting with me, but this is a piece of 2-inch PVC. This is a PVC 2-inch barb nipple used for rubber hose. And if you get one of these that's actually like a double-ended nipple, that would work better. And that fits exactly over the Speedy Sleeve. I mean, it's virtually perfect for this application. So I can slide that right into that, onto the nipple, and it will drive that Speedy Sleeve on. And then I'm just gonna slide this off the yoke shaft, cut that off, and then put it on there. So I'm gonna show you that process real quick. All right, I've still got the yoke shaft attached with good universal joints here. I wanna reuse it, but this shaft does have a groove in it. I can catch my fingernail in it. So I've cleaned this surface all the way up. What I'm gonna do is take a little bit of non-hardening sealer of your choice. I like the brown non-hardening sealer, the Permatex. And I'm gonna put a little bit of that around that surface. So when I put that sleeve on there, that acts as an extra layer of a seal so that the gear lube can't leak around this shaft. There we go. Then I need a rubber hammer so that I can drive the Speedy Sleeve on there. All right, so I gotta remember where that seal groove is. This is gonna actually cover that whole area. So I'm gonna drive this down to the edge, and then I can cut it with a pair of wire cutters and rip it off. So I'm gonna get this put on here and just kind of line it up by hand a little bit, get it started. And then what I'll do is I'll take this Magic Special tool, and again, I can't find my other barb nipple, but this will work just fine. Okay, and then just kind of eyeball it. Keep it square. Come on. That's it, folks. That is on there. And then twist this off. It's going to be a little tight because it spreads out, but it works perfect for this application. And this, actually, I like it better than the barb nipple because I got something to grab onto. There it is. Okay. So there's your new sealing surface. What I'm going to do now is take a pair of wire cutters. And I'm going to cut that little spot in it, and then I can peel that off. All right, good pair of wire cutters. Reach in there, just give it a little cut there, and then grab it, peel it up. So it's got a groove in it. And once you get it to that point, there it goes. It's sharp, so be careful. I've already cut myself on one one of these earlier. This is the hardest part of getting this off. And that's it. We got a brand new sealing surface there. Just clean it up and we're ready to put it back together.